Good morning mga guys. So natakaroon din sa sakyanan no, kaya atong i-try og install ni kato naabot na pesa which is mo ni siya. Nanay. Ignition switch for Ford Fiesta 2006 MK5 MK6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 pins no. Fit siya diri. Kani need na ko matanggal kana nga part by just pulling it here. I think there's a tab over here to release it under here, right here, and then this of course for the electricals. I'll have to do this first here. Alright, so before din ako i-replace na siya, pakita unta mo ko unsay problem niya. Just put in the key there. Tanawan dashboard. So no light dire. Mean to say each time i-touch nimo ang key, touch mo key. Touch mo key, okay, look at here. Touch mo on siya. And then pag once i-start nimo, now no start. So examine ako once I hold this firmly here, this one here, which is the ignition switch barrel, mo connect siya, so mo start siya. So several times akong gitry na siya, and then mo start gid siya once nga akong i-press down. So it needs to be replaced. So let's go and replace it. Alright, so I already done the top and the bottom. All I have to do now is take it out there. Kuha na siya. And to confirm that this is really defective, sorry about the camera here. Yeah, it is totally destroyed. Here's the brand new one. I need to take out the electricals now. So push this. It's so cold. It is cold right now. I'll have to do this off camera, alright? Because it's really hard to do it on one hand. So the wirings is already done. I already taken it off. You just have to push this tab over here and pull, gently pull. Then to confirm if they are the same, this is the brand new one. Look. And then the pins, and this is the old one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and I think they have the same pins, exactly the same. So all right, put this back in here. Let's see. Yeah, let's put this back in. All right. Okay, right in place. This one also. Okay, and cross our fingers it works. So it's in neutral. Let's try. So if I move it, it still does. It's kind of stiff, so maybe I need to change this as well. So yeah, let's start it. It starts. So yeah, I think we got it, guys. I bought this at eBay for only £10.95. yeah, I think it works. Thank you. Let's try turning it on. So let's try it. It's on. Nice. So yeah, that's how you fix a ignition switch barrel on a Ford Fiesta zetec 2006 model. So yeah, thank you for watching mga guys, and see you on the next one.